Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends! Twoloosebricks here with the Christmas haul. I didn't think I was going to get much of anything when it came to Lego or anything like that, but man, Santa was good to me. Yes, if you believe, you can receive. That's right. I might be a little older than some, but you know what? I still believe in Santa Claus, and I have the Christmas spirit, and my friends sure came through this Christmas. So, let's have a quick look and see what we got here. This is a building base, and it is of the Block Tech brand. That looks really cool because we'll be able to use this in some stop motion animations. And I got some Harry Potter minifigures, and we've got the Lego Creator 3-in-1 Pug Dog, and we got Unikitty roller coaster wagon. So I got a dog and a cat both for Christmas. Well, sort of, I guess. And a couple more Harry Potter minifigures. Now, if we look closely here, we can see He-Man came to visit. Yes, this is the Mega Construct series. And we got also Beastman, Tila, and, well, we'll go over here. We got a Borg drone and Captain Kirk. Commander Spock, Fry, Henbender. Oh, that's so awesome, you know. We also got a custom Twoloosebricks YouTube mug. And on the back, which was really cool, we have on it Atari and PS4. Because, yes, I am starting to do some streaming gaming videos from the PS4, like Lego Worlds and the Lego games and whatnot. And if I can get some Atari games in there, I will too. I had an old Atari years and years and years ago, back in the very early 1980s, and then it broke and everything, and then for a while there, everything just kind of went to the byway, and I threw it all out, and all the cartridges and everything. I did keep the joysticks and the paddles, however, and that is very important because I've got the new system that came out, and you can use those controllers on that system, so that's really neat. And I also got a couple extra of the 900 piece Lego Classic blocks, so that is awesome. Great Christmas haul, I must say. So thank you to all my friends and to Santa Claus. And now I just added that in because I forgot to put that in ahead of time, so there shows the Atari game unit. I had an old original that was about the size of this box itself, and this one is very small now because it compacted all in, so it's pretty cool. It's got 110 games in it, so hopefully we can stream that and get away with that. Probably have to knock out the audio when we do that, of course, but we'll be able to get something on for you. And that is about my Lego haul for 2018. Merry Christmas, everybody, and I'll see you guys again in the video very shortly. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.